Hi guys, welcome to another day of the Getting My Life Back on Track vlog. So here I just have a mini haul for you, just a couple of things that I bought for my apartment, and I thought I should show them to you guys. So everything here is from MrP's Home. So I'm going to start with the kitchen items, moving to the bedroom items. It's just a few items. I'm going to buy bit by bit because budget, honey, period. I like it when people on social media do this, period, and then they show. But anyway, let's get into the vlog. What a wonderful. So I got this jar. This is like my favorite jar from MrP's Home, and it was 100 rand. And then I got this smaller one, and it was 60 bucks. And I got my dream jar. Like, guys, I always saw people having these type of jars in their apartments, and this is a manifestation because it finally happened that I also got one for my apartment. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it in the kitchen, then you guys will see. And then I also bought some pasta bowls, and I got them in different colors because I feel like they just look nice in different colors. And also another thing is, if I was going to pick one color, I didn't know which color to choose because I love all of them. So I feel like this makes it look really nice. And then I also bought these two mugs. Like, I'm in love and I'm obsessed with these mugs. You can't really see the texture properly, but this one is like flower textured and this one is like blocks or squares, but it's very nice. Like when you're having your morning coffee. I know I don't really drink coffee, but we'll see, honey, when I drink my tea in them. Then I bought this base cover. I already removed it from its box, but it pretty much looks like this, and I'm going to wrap my base with it. And then I got 3 of these cushions because apparently, guys, continental pillows are outdated, and I'm going to use them sort of like as continental pillows. They look like they're so sensitive. It's like they're gonna get dirty quickly, but I'll wash them, I guess. But I really love how they look. I love the texture. They're all the same. So I just bought 3 of those, and I'm going to make my bed with it. And yeah, guys, so I also like the fact that you can do them like this. How do they do it? Yeah, whatever. But I like the fact that you can also do them like this when you're making your bed, or you can decide to put them like this. Anything is really fine, but they're really beautiful. Like, out of all the items that I bought, I feel like they are my favorite. But yeah, this is my mini haul from MrP's Home. And yeah, let's move to other parts of the vlog. Welcome to another day of the vlog. Today's Monday, the 23rd of August. I look crusty, but what's new, honey? What's new? Anyway, so today I was writing in the morning, as you've seen on the clip that played before this one. So I was writing in the morning. I was writing my estate planning test 1, and my friend is making noise. Have friends, they said. But anyway, yeah, I just finished writing. Well, not just finished. I finished writing, then I went to bath. Then now I'm just gonna clean the study room because I've been home and I only came back during the weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that and I'm gonna clean, and then after cleaning I'll just chill and eat, and then I'm gonna cook later on, so I'll show you. So I just wanted to come and show face, show you that I'm alive and still crusty like usual. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the bathroom and the office because my friend cleaned the other room. It's nice having a friend, guys. I highly recommend having friends. So yeah, so we just split our duties, and then I'm gonna cook later on, so I'll show you like I said. So yeah, you guys, juices. I don't think I want to vlog the process of cleaning that room because it's a mess. Like it looks scary and I don't want to shock you all. So I'm just gonna clean it, and then I'll probably check in with you guys when I'm cooking later on. So Santandi Bantubam. Santandi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Bo.
Say hi to the vlog.
No, I look hideous.
Hi guys, so I just started cooking and I had forgotten that I said I was going to vlog this. I almost forgot, but luckily I haven't really started. So I'm just going to show you what I'll be cooking, and then we're going to cook together. I wanted to make stuffed sweet potato, but the sweet potatoes are too small to be stuffed, so I'm just going to make mashed sweet potato and quinoa. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but it's gonna work out, and grilled chicken. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything. So like I said that I forgot that I was supposed to vlog. I had already put the chicken inside the oven. Yeah, I just put it, as you can see, it's not yet done. Then I marinated it with some Nanda sauce and garlic and mixed herbs. Yeah, that, and chicken spice from Woolies. And then over here, I soaked my quinoa. I mixed the red one and the white one. I just want to stir it so that you can see, because it doesn't show properly. So I soaked it. I'm just going to cook it after I'm done peeling the sweet potatoes. And then on this side, I have the sweet potatoes. I'm not yet done peeling them. I'm going to do all of them. So, oh my God. So yeah, let's cook together. a Wednesday, and I got flowers at my work as part of the condolences for my father's passing. I'm sure you saw the footage that just played before this. So I went to Mr. Price home because the flowers are so huge and I only have one small vase. So I went to buy 2 more vases so that I can put the flowers inside, but I also bought some other items. So the plan was for me to do this on Saturday, but I was like, you know what, let me just do it all at once and get it over and done with. So I'm just going to do a haul, a Carrol Boyes haul and a Mr. Price home haul. So I'm going to start with the Carrol Boyes haul and moving to the Mr. Price haul. So the first thing that I got is, I got my mom a gift because when I bought myself my first Carrol Boyes mug, my mom was like, I must also buy her one, and it's her birthday next month on the 11th. So I was like, why not, honey? Why not? So I got her this Carrol Boyes mug, wow, and it's wrapped. So yeah, this is for my mother. So this is not mine. I'm gonna put it aside. Oh, it looks like it's gonna fall. Anyway, this one is mine. I bought the black one. It looks really lovely. I love how it looks, and yeah, it's really cute. I mean, I think I'm starting to be addicted to Carrol Boyes, guys. Like, if I'm broke, just know that my money went to that shop because their things are so addictive. So I also got this flask. So it's a Carrol Boyes flask. So when I'm at home, I normally drink warm water. I don't really drink cold water. So I keep my water in a flask when I'm working, then I just pour it in the mug. So I saw this Carrol Boyes mug as a flask, as a really cute thing. And I just love it. And I mean, why not? Why not? So yeah, that's the end of the Carrol Boyes haul. Now I'm moving to the Mr. Price home one. I'm moving to the Mr. Price home. So like I told you that I got 2 vases. Okay, this is my friend's stuff, so I'm not going to unbox that because it's not mine. And this is another gift that I got for my mom, but I'm not going to show you guys because it's not part of the vlog. So like I told you that I'm going to buy vases. I bought 2 of these and I'm going to wash them and put the flowers inside. So this is the first one. Oh! And ooh, okay, thank goodness. I also got this mug. I don't know, I just feel like it looks very pretty, and yeah, why not? Why not? And then this is another vase similar as the other one. I'm just gonna throw everything on the floor, then I'll pick it up. Okay, and then I also got some coasters for when I'm drinking something and then I have to put on the couch because I don't have a table and I can't put my things on the floor because it's too far to reach. So this is gonna be for like when I'm drinking something and I'm gonna put it on top of the couch and I'll put my glass or my mug there. So I got them in 2 different designs. So this is the floral one and then I have the white one, but I feel like this matches more with my kitchen theme because my kettle and toaster are white and the kitchen is also like light. But anywho, let us move to the next item. I also got some trays. Honestly, I bought these ones because of the color. I just feel like it looks very cute and the color pops and I really love them a lot. So I bought 2 of these. I don't like sharing prices, guys. I feel like it'll calculate and I'm not paying. But anyway, I got 2 of these as well, these big ones, simply because my plates are too big and they're gonna fit properly on these ones, but I also love these ones, so I was like, let me buy them both, honey, let me buy them both. So these are the trays, so huge, honey. Then, guys, you won't believe, like I went to Mr. Price home and the cushions, like all of the cushions literally were boring. I don't know what's wrong with their collection this month, but I didn't find something that I was like, wow. I bought these cushions. They're not a wow factor, but I'm just like, for the meantime they will do, because sitting on the couch like this without leaning back on a cushion is painful, so I bought 2 of these blush pink ones because I didn't really find ones that are like really light. But as time goes on, hopefully I'll find something that I like. So I bought 2 of these, and then the last item is this oh wow, is this bathroom rug, and it's also not in the color that I want, but it's fine because it matches my couch. At least it will look like it's the theme of the house. I had initially bought a white bathroom rug, but it gets dirty too quickly and I ain't got time for that. So this one will do for now up until I find the one that I really like. I saw a light gray one, but though it wasn't in the size, it was like small, like this size, so I was like nah. So I opted for this one, and then as time goes I'll just buy more, because obviously I have to constantly change them. I can't keep the same rug forever. So yeah guys, that was my haul. It looks messy, so I'm gonna clean up, eat, and then I'm gonna wash the vases, pick my flowers, and I'll see you on the next clip. Cut. Guys, I just finished putting the flowers in the vases. Guys, these flowers are a lot. Yo, look at that. They are a lot. I don't even know where they're gonna stay in this house because there's no tables, but we'll try and make it work, I guess. So these are my flowers. I think I'm gonna put one in the kitchen, and then I'll see where I put the other ones. Then I'll just show you clips. So yeah, these are the flowers. Someone's making noise in the background. I don't know why. She's jealous. There's your cousin. Hi. Happy Saturday, guys. I had such a hectic week. Let me even take a seat. Yeah, the lighting is not that bad. Guys, I had a hectic week. Let me tell you about my week. So I think the last clip that you all saw was when I went to do my hair and my nails. So yeah, that nail was killing me. So today is Saturday, by the way, and I plan to do my hair and my nails today, but the way that nail was painful, I had to remove them and do other ones. So since I've recently just moved in here, I don't really know like hair and nail people. So fine, I just went to this random salon that I saw to do my hair and my nails, and I don't know why I wasted my money on this. I said I wanted gel. Look at this, guys. What is this? Look how big this gel is. I don't know if you can see, but it's so ugly, and I'm speechless. Like, I'm speechless. But I have to stick with these for the coming few weeks. Then I'll probably find someone else that I can thingy. But with my hair, I'm happy. It's really soft and whatever, so I'm happy with the hair. But the nails is a no-no. Like, this is my last time ever doing my nails, that lady. I regret. Anyway, I just woke up. I'm about to start my Saturday. I have to go to the dock around 12. It's currently like 8, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just gonna take out my trash, and oh yeah, on Wednesday or Thursday, somewhere there, I don't remember if it was Wednesday or Thursday, they delivered my washing machine, and I didn't unbox it up until today. simply because, guys, when I get back from work, like, I get so tired. So I'm going to unbox it today, so I'll show you a clip of that. And I think I'm going to close up this vlog today, and then we'll continue with another vlog. But I wanted to do like a take a lot unboxing, but I think I'll just include it in the next vlog. And my ring light is broken, so it's really difficult to record videos for now up until I get the new one. So it's a challenge, so I have to end the vlog here. So that take a lot unboxing will also include that ring light, so I'll just do it in another vlog, like I said. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna unpack the washing machine, and I don't know if I'll take you with when I go to the doctor, but I don't think I will. I'll probably just check in with you guys when I come back and let you know how it went and stuff. Today I also had to go do groceries, but I don't think I'm gonna go because I'm tired and I have to study because I'm writing again on Monday. So I think my friend is gonna go by. I'm just gonna write a list and she's gonna go by. And then yeah, that's -1 problem from my side. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. It's not yet confirmed for now. So for now, I'm just gonna show you guys me taking out the trash and unboxing my washing machine. I'm so excited. I'm just woke up. Maybe that's why you can't see the excitement, but I'm excited, guys. I can't wash with my hands, so finally. Anyway, guys, let's get right into the vlog. So guys, here is the baby. It does not fit in because of that white thing there. So I think I'm gonna need help, and I also have to read these instructions on how to set it up. So yeah, after that I'm gonna set it up, try and figure it out, and try and remove that thing over there, because that's the mission. But otherwise, I really love how it looks. It's difficult to show, but I'll insert another clip once I've set it up. But it looks really gorgeous. I love it. I am in love with it. I love that it's dark here. Like, it's just perfect. So yeah, this is my baby. having a KFC crusher. Cheers. So I just got back from the doctor and I also went to do grocery shopping. So when I got back here, when we got back, me and my bae. Guys, I'm joking. This is my best friend. You want to see my man? Here's my man. Guys, here's my man. You see my man? Look at my man. Anyway, guys, this girl is disturbing me. So we just finished eating, and because I know this girl is so lazy, going to unpack the groceries, and I'll show you guys what we bought as we unpack. And then what else? What am I gonna do after that? I'm gonna rest a bit, then I'm gonna go study. And yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna show you while I'm unpacking, but I first want to finish my crusher. It's so yummy. I'm starting to love this. But yeah, you'll see the clip after this.